Welcome back. This is round 3 in TVJ Jnr Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Ensom City Primary on 5 and Meadowbrook Prep on 3. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics, and it is Matthew Nelson from Meadowbrook up against Tyreek Barnes from Ensom City. Matthew, what is 35% of 2,400?
$800.
Bell beat you to it, so we'll pass it to Tyreek. Would you like to try?
Yes, miss. 840.
Correct. Back to you, Matthew. If y plus 29 equals 117, what is y?
$88.
88 is correct. How many hectometers are in 2 kilometers?
200.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Tyreek?
No, miss.
20 is the answer. Matthew, what is the product of 0.32 and 1.2? Would you like to try, Tyreek?
No, miss.
0.384. And Matthew, what name is given to a pyramid with a circular base?
Triangular pyramid.
Incorrect. Tyreek, would you like to try?
Yes, miss. Cone.
That is correct. Your questions now, Tyreek. What is 60% of 1,200?
720.
Correct. If x minus 23 equals 98, what is x?
Two.
Question passes to Matthew. Would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. 121.
That is correct. Tyreek, back to you. How many liters are in 4 hectoliters?
400.
Say that again.
400.
That is correct. What is the product of 0.39 and 1.1?
.0429.
That is correct. That was incorrect. Okay, that was incorrect. My apologies. We'll pass that over to Matthew. Would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. 0.429.
That is correct. And Tyreek, back to you for your last question. What is the name for a solid with 6 square faces with all edges being equal?
Cube.
Correct. That's the end of the math face-off. We move on to science, and this is Aaron Palmer from Meadowbrook up against Aiden Johnson, captain of Ensom City.